How to impress your crush. Trying to impress your crush can be difficult, especially if you don't know how to do it right or where to start. Most people try too hard to impress their crush and wind up looking fake or insincere. It's normal to feel a little anxious when trying to make a good impression on someone you like. But when you do it the wrong way, it can actually make things worse. That's why we are here to help. After watching this video, you will learn some of the best ways to impress your crush and make them like you, even if you don't think you are their type. And if you stay to the end of this video, we will share with you a powerful bonus tip that can really make them fall for you. So if you feel excited, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Smile and make eye contact when you see them. Did you know that smiling is one of the most important things you can do when trying to make a good impression? It is true. When you smile, it not only shows that you're happy and confident, but it also makes the other person feel good. And making eye contact is just as important. It shows that you are interested in them and that you are paying attention to what they are saying or doing without seeming creepy or invasive. So the next time you see your crush, try smiling and don't be afraid to make eye contact with them. Number 2, find common ground. In many studies, people have found that finding common ground with someone is one of the best ways to make a good impression. Not only do you get to know them better and establish a deeper connection, but it also shows how much effort you put into getting to know them. To find common ground, try asking your crush about their hobbies or interests. By doing this, you can learn more about them and show how interested you are in what they have to say. Of course, it's also important to be genuine when finding common ground with your crush. Don't say or do things just because you think it will impress them. Stay true to yourself and be honest about how you feel. Number 3. Let them talk about themselves. People love to talk about themselves, and it's no different when it comes to your crush. In fact, being a good listener can be one of the best ways to impress someone. So try asking your crush questions about their likes, dislikes, hobbies, or dreams. Not only will you learn more about them, but they'll also appreciate that you care enough to ask and listen. If you're feeling really confident, consider sharing some of your own interests or stories as well. Just remember to be mindful of how much time you spend talking about yourself and try to make them feel heard too. Number 4. Compliment them, but don't overdo it. Genuine compliments can make anyone feel good, and it's no different when it comes to your crush. Whether you are complimenting their appearance, personality, or something else entirely, be sure to speak from the heart and say how you really feel. But try not to overdo it either. If every conversation tends to end with a compliment about how great they are, it might start to seem insincere. So be mindful of how often you compliment them and make sure that it feels natural. Number 5. Laugh at their jokes. One of the best ways to show that you like someone is by laughing at their jokes. It's a simple way to make them feel good and appreciated, and it also shows that you are interested in what they have to say. Of course, you don't want to fake it. You only laugh if something is actually funny. But if you can find humor in what they say, it will definitely make a good impression. Number 6. Don't rush things. It's normal to feel nervous or excited when you like someone, but try not to rush things. If you come on too strong, it might scare them away or make them think you're not interested in getting to know them better. So take your time and get to know them better before making any grand gestures. The more you learn about them, the better idea you'll have of how to impress them. Number 7. Show them your skills and talents. Before you say that you don't have any skills or talents, think about what you are good at. Everyone has something that they are proud of, so use that to your advantage. Whether it's playing an instrument, being good at sports, or having a unique hobby, showing off your skills is a great way to impress your crush. It shows that you're confident and open to trying new things, which is always sexy in anyone's book. So the next time you see your crush, make sure to show off how awesome you are. You'll be sure to impress them in no time. Number 8. Ask them to do a small favor. According to research, people are more likely to like someone if they do them a favor. So if you want to make a good impression on your crush, try asking them for a small favor. It can be anything from holding your bag for a minute to getting you a pencil when you forget yours. Just make sure that it's something small and easy to do, and that you offer to return the favor if possible. Putting in this kind of effort will show how much you care while also helping you get to know your crush better. It will also make them feel special. Number 9. Don't try to be someone you are not. This is a key rule to remember when it comes to impressing your crush. You might think that you need to change how you look, act, or talk in order for them to like you, but this is rarely the case. In fact, trying too hard to be someone you're not will often have the opposite effect and turn your crush off instead. So be yourself and focus on how you can show your crush how great you are just the way you are. Number 10. Avoid being negative or critical. The best way to make a good impression on someone you like is by being positive and uplifting. No one likes to be around someone who's constantly negative, so avoid focusing on the negatives in a situation or how much you dislike something or someone. Instead, focus on finding the good things about your crush and what makes them special. Not only will it help make a stronger connection with them, but it will also make them feel good about themselves. Number 11. Listen more than you speak. Do you know why we have one mouth and two ears? Because we should be listening more than we are speaking. This rule is especially important to remember when you're trying to impress someone. According to human psychology, people are more likely to like someone who listens to them and takes an interest in what they have to say. So the next time you're around your crush, make sure to focus on listening more than speaking. Number 12. Do not beg for their attention. Many people make the mistake of constantly trying to get their crush's attention, but this can often have the opposite effect. Instead of making them like you more, it will only make them resent or avoid you. For example, if your crush is busy or seems like they're not interested in talking to you, give them some space and go do something else. This will show that you respect their boundaries and have better things to do than try to get their attention. Number 13. Show them your true personality. When your crush first meets you, they're going to form an opinion of you based on how you act and what you say. So if you want to make a good impression, it's important that you show them your true personality. For example, if you're normally shy and quiet, don't try to act like the life of the party just to impress your crush. It's much better to be yourself and let them get to know the real you. And if they don't like the real you, then they are not worth your time and energy. Number 14. Be outgoing around them. While it's important to be yourself, you should also try to balance it out by being outgoing around your crush. This will show them how fun and confident you are, while also allowing them to get to know you better. For example, try to be the first one to say hello or strike up a conversation when you're around them. You could even invite them to do an activity or participate in an event with you to get them to interact with you more. Doing small things like this will gradually help break the ice and make your crush more comfortable around you. And for those of you that have made it this far, here's the bonus tip as we promised. Number 15. Never treat them as if they are celebrities. There's a famous quote that says, "Treat them like a celebrity, and they will treat you like a fan." This is especially true in the dating world, where how you treat your crush has a huge impact on how they view you. If you constantly fawn over them and shower them with compliments, it will make you seem desperate and needy. Instead, try to keep things low-key and casual. Treat them like a normal person, and they will be more likely to reciprocate the feelings. When you give someone too much attention and energy, it will make you appear clingy and needy. It will also make it seem like you don't have a life outside of them, which is a huge turnoff. So if you want to make a good impression on your crush, it's important that you find a balance between being interested in them and having your own life. This will show them that you're confident and independent and that you're not desperately trying to win their approval. We hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to get your free copy of our Positive Body Language Checklist. Just enter your email and we will send it to you. Link in the description down below. To learn more, check out our other videos that you see on the screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.